Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is June 23rd, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, looking at this market, we do have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by 19.25 points to 20.96 per contract. Futures actually got above 2100 briefly around 5 o'clock in the morning, and this is all on the back of the polls that are taking place in Britain right now. So everybody's waiting to see, will Britain stay in the EU? The polls are saying they probably will, but the voting is taking place, so we'll see how that all plays out. I guess we'll have the final results maybe sometime tomorrow morning. But again, right now markets are betting that England will remain in the European Union. So again, it's all about that. And European markets are all soaring higher this morning. So again, we want to just watch that closely. Again, if there is some poll that comes out today and saying, hey, people are coming out of the voting booth and they are not looking to remain in the European Union, then you could see some whipsaw. Markets could come back down. But right now, markets are sharply higher ahead of this vote. So we'll see how that all plays out. In the meantime, we have lots of stocks in the news. We're going to start off with Bed Bath & Beyond. BBBY is the ticker symbol here. Stock closed at $43.18. It is now trading at $41.75. So this is trading down a little bit. So again, we're going to be watching this one once the opening bell rings today. We will probably look to play it at some point, I believe. But again, this is one that is going to be on our radar once the opening bell rings. There's no real level that I love or dislike right now. We're just going to let it play out, and we'll see what it looks like after the opening bell rings this morning. Next up on our radar is going to be Red Hat. Now, this stock is getting hammered today. Stock closed at $79.75. It is now trading at $74.51. I do have levels ready to play Red Hat. So they will be posted before the opening bell at right around 9 a.m. in the intraday stock chat room. If you want to trade this alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll get the level before we even play it. It'll be up there and it'll be ready to go. And we will be looking to play Red Hat right around the opening bell today. Next up, we want to talk about Herman Miller. MLHR is the ticker symbol there. This stock is catching a nice bid. Now remember, there's a little bit of a lighter volume name. Rarely does the stock trade over 1 million shares a day. Normally, I'm going to say it trades around 250,000. Right now, the stock is trading at around $32.61. Has upside to $33.30. So if you own it, trail your stop loss there. If you do not own Herman Miller, you don't want to chase it at this stage of the game, as it should be coming into overbought conditions right around that 33.30 level. So keep that on the radar today. Next up, we want to take a look at Micron. Looks like that received an upgrade today, but it's getting a pretty good little pop. Closed at $12.72. Stock now is trading at $13.37. So Micron catching a little bit of a bid this morning. Again, little tough trade there. Ton of resistance around $14 if it ever gets there. But right now, your next big level is really not all that clear. So again, 14 is your big area for this stock. More resistance also at $13.77, but I'm not sure it's even going to make its way up there. So keep it on the radar, but it did receive an upgrade today. We want to take a look at, just for old-time purposes, we'll take a look at Blackberry, BBRY, and looks like they reported earnings as well. This stock is really not relevant these days anymore, but the stock did trade briefly above the 720 level, now back down to $6.94. I suppose they do own, a fair amount of patents, so when somebody does buy this company, it will be for that reason. But the reality of it is BlackBerry just is not relevant anymore, and you could thank the iPhone for that one. Looking at European financial stocks, Deutsche Bank, huge move today. Stock closed at $16.87 yesterday, trading at $17.62 right now. Credit Suisse, another one. Stock closed yesterday at $13.12, trading at $13.59. and LYG, which is Lloyd's Group. You could see that closed yesterday at 14.18, trading at 14.32. So all of the European financial stocks are upticking this morning on the fact that reports are coming out saying that the Brexit vote is leaning towards Remain. We'll see how it plays out. We'll see what it does. But all the European markets are soaring. As for gold this morning, we have gold futures trading lower by $6.60. Take a look at the GLD. That is trading at $120.41 right now. So gold a little bit lower. Crude oil is higher. Right now we have crude oil futures trading up 67 cents to $49.81 a barrel. That is August crude. Take a look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF. You're going to see that is trading at $11.91, closed at $11.74. So the uptick there is being reflected in the USO. All right, so we're going to see how this all plays out. Again, just remain open. This could be still a choppy day. Right now, markets though are leaning towards Brexit vote saying Remain, and if it says leave, things could change real quickly, as we've seen. So again, that's where we are. We'll see how it plays out, and we'll see what this market tells us, what it gives us. And again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over, take the 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We had another good day yesterday, and we're going to keep that going all the way throughout the rest of the year. So again, come over, try it out, see what it's all about. But you get to see our desktops live, and you get to trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody have a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.